A study led by scientist Rebecca Kirby at the University of Wisconsin-Madison found that black bears that eat human food before hibernation have increased levels of a rare carbon isotope due to the higher 13 carbon levels in corn and cane sugar. Notice we have a comma here, which means that it's non-essential, meaning the sentence will not be effective if you happen to drop this phrase, carbon 13. Okay, just an additional specific detail that readers can find more about. Therefore, we have a comma here and gotta with a comma. But so that means choice B is out. But what about choice A, C, and D? They all have comma. You do not want to separate between the parentheses and the word that's more specific isotope here because we are already having a supplementary phrase starting with a comma and we're gonna end it so that your sentence can be read smoothly even without this supplementary phrase. So in other words, before hibernation have increased levels of rare carbon isotope due to higher 13 carbon levels. Okay, so you can see how that can be read without this carbon 13 specification. Therefore, you do not want to make a separation of this flow inside the supplementary. So C is out. And choice A, same thing. You do not want to put a comma here. Now, another problem is choice A is that if you start the 13 carbon without anything and do 2, that is, again, having awkward continuation right next to due to higher next phrase. So choice A is out. Choice D would be correct. We put the 13 carbon in the parentheses, which is more specific information or another additional information inside the additional information. Okay, and we did it well by having a parenthesis open and close within each element. And we start with a comma, we end with a comma, so that the sentence can be read coherently without even without these phrases.